toilet in your RV operates a little bit different than the one at home. There's a little more prep that's needed for it. The one at home we take for granted. We just hit a lever and it's taken care of. So with the RV toilet, the first thing we want to do is make sure there's some water in the bowl itself. Otherwise it's going to discolor. It's going to be really hard to clean. If you're going down the road, you may have had some at one time, but going down the road, that vibration and stuff, it'll probably leak back down into the black water tank. If you have a bad seal, same thing. So check it, fill it up, and we're going to put it about a quarter of the way or so like that. So once we use the toilet, the next thing we're going to do is push the larger button, which is going to open the valve, and you'll see it's actually cleaning as well. And then we're going to take this little sprayer and help assist it with that. And once again, just a little prep. We're going to put a little in, leave it in there for the next time. So a little different than your toilet at home, a couple extra steps just to make sure that your RV toilet stays clean.